Today's video is going to be another one in our continuing saga of trying to find some treasure in one of these battle boxes. See if we can find something that you didn't know existed and it might really be a benefit to you. So we're going to take a look at this one coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me for, as I said, another one of these kind of battle box look backs. This one is Mission 110. I've had this thing in my hot little hands for way longer than I should have had, but we're going to take a look at it now. I can tell you the last one we looked at, kind of playing catch up. Found a treasure in that one, so if you haven't seen that one, go back and look at that video. Something that I really liked. I never knew existed. So we'll see if there's any treasures in this one. You want to? Today's video is sponsored by my friends at XS Sights, the fastest sight in any light. I've been using XS Sights for a lot of years, and it's really cool to have them as a channel sponsor. And you can save 15% on your order at their website by using the coupon code SOP15. Okay, so let's see what's in here. And by the way, if you're not familiar with Battlbox, they have 4 levels of subscription service. Basically, you send them some money, they send you a box full of stuff. It's kind of a mystery. The more money you send them, the more stuff they put in the box. So the first level is a basic box, and let's see what's in here. This is a Rock Gator Ultralight Series dry bag. It's 15 liters. This one I can tell you works really good. I actually used this one on a trip recently, and it's very lightweight, very good. It's a dry bag, which is pretty cool. So great thing to take to the beach or whatever, and just keep your stuff not only dry but sand free and all that stuff. So that's pretty cool there. It's 100% waterproof. And it's durable TPU, and the seams are welded, not taped. Whatever that matters. So there's the Rock Gator Ultralight Series drag. The second thing in the basic box is pretty cool. It's a Lucy solar portable light. So it's rechargeable with solar or USB. Let's have a look at this thing. There's a couple things I think are pretty cool about this, because it's good to have a solar light when you're camping or whatever, anywhere, just to have for an emergency. If you can keep it, you don't have to have batteries for it, obviously, once you get it charged. So let's just open this sucker up and see what it looks like in there. And this is her. Comes a little charging cable. I don't know if it's live now or not. Let's see. How do you turn it on? Okay, yes, on. So what's cool, it's got this little kind of a bendable, rubbery thing that you can use it for a stand. You could wrap it around stuff. You could actually here's a kind of a different take on it. It's got little clips on it here. I could put it on your neck there and use it if you're doing something that you need some light. Not a bad idea there either. So because I'm the guy that's always got his flashlight in his mouth. So pretty cool there. I like that it's solar. That's a nice little solar panel. So pretty neat. Oh, it's even brighter. Oh, it gets way brighter. Okay, there you go. Okay, good deal. So that's the it even flashes. So I guess very cool. That's the Lucy Empowered. I don't know why it says Empowered, but I guess that's the name. Core solar powered light. And then finally, there's an SOG. Let me put that out of the way here. Entrenching tool. I'll need the knife again, I guess, which is pretty neat. It's very compact. This one's a small one. It's not as big as like the Glock tool that I reviewed before, or even the Gerber one. I don't think. Let's just see how big it is. Lord have mercy. The same person that packaged this packages kids' Christmas toys, because it's got all kinds of zip ties on it, man. There's one. There's 2. Okay, well, 2. I guess that's all kinds. So it's a very compact little entrenching tool. And if you unfold, see how it's got a nice little pick lever here. Unfolds there like that. Okay, we got to loosen that up. Probably got to loosen it up some more. There we go. That goes down there. Just a standard entrenching tool. You can make a pick out of it. Tighten that up there. So I like this kind of bends here because you can use it digging and scooping. If you're trying to dig a little hole, it's really hard when you have the straight. Like if you're trying to make a Dakota fire pit, right? And you have it like this, it's really hard to scoop the dirt out. But when you put it like this, obviously it's much easier. And I like that it's got a little pick on it too, so that's pretty cool. SOG trenching tool. So there's that. That's everything in the basic box. And the next level box is the advanced. And in the advanced, you get everything in the basic plus some more stuff. This month, the more stuff that month is this really cool Fix-It Sticks hunting and shooting multi-tool. And I gotta tell you, I am a huge fan of these Fix-It Sticks. They're just so handy. I've actually got one in my computer bag that I carry, all over the place with me for work, and I keep it in my bag because it's such a handy little tool to have. I've used it so many times for so many things. And this one says hunting and shooting edition. I'm trying to see what the difference is on it. So one of the differences is this one is not a ratchet. One I have is a ratchet. I think this one is just a straight. It's just a straight wrench. So you can still change all these out, and you can still put one inside the other like that. So you can use these because they're all 1/4 inch. It's got 1/4 inch hex here. You can put them all different places. You can change every one of these out, whatever. So if you need to, you got a T handle there, and there's several different sizes of Allen hex, and there's also several different Torx sizes, which is pretty cool. And then you can actually use one of these hexes for probably a punch. And there's a Phillips head and a flathead as well. Mostly Allen wrenches though. And then you got this nice rubber pack that they all go in. So I'm a big fan of these. I think they're pretty cool. So good deal here on that. I really like that. And that's the advanced box. Now, one more level is two more levels. A Pro box is the next level. And again, you get everything in this box plus some more stuff. And this month, the Pro box, it's a big old box. It has one of these. Bad Boy Kong Rampage Edition. What does it say about this thing real quick? It's a protective gear case, basically. Hard case. So this one comes in one of 4 colors. Nuke Chill, Ocean Nuke, Aqua Sunset, Lava Sky, or Earth Jungle. Let's see what we got here. Oh man. Okay. It's not your boring box. Case. Protective case. Let's see. Alright, let's see what we got here. Ooh man, that'll get your attention. You're not gonna lose this sucker in a luggage carousel. Oh, let's open her up and see what's in there. And it's got this pull and pick foam. So you can make your own cavities for whatever you want to fit in here. Pretty good size. This would be a great camera case, pistol case, fishing reel case, whatever you need to protect. It's going to be waterproof. Got a nice seal around it. Seals. What it doesn't have, so it's lockable. So you can. Then it has an air pressure, auto pressure release here. So if you got this in like the hold of an airplane, it's gonna, if it's a non-pressurized hold, it won't blow the seals on this thing because the pressure inside the atmosphere. Pressure inside here at ground level, when you pack it, is much greater than it is at 30,000 feet when it's in a if it's in a non-pressurized hold. So that's cool. Locks, two locking ports here with metal. So be a great pistol case. And again, this one is not going to be hard to identify. So that's a pretty cool idea. If you're traveling with a pistol or something like that, you can put it all in here and check it and you'll be good to go. So that is the Kong case Rampage Edition. I'm digging that. I'm digging the colors on that, to be honest with you. Because I occasionally travel with a firearm, and generally it's going to have to be checked anyway. But if it's a handgun in your baggage, a lot of times it'll just go through the check. So it'll go not check. It'll go through the standard baggage handling. So that's pretty cool there. So anyway, that's the Kong case. And finally, drum roll, brings us to the Pro Plus, the top level.
Chuck Norris can touch MC Hammer.
A little more money, a little more stuff. This month, the little more stuff is a Razorback Canyon fixed blade. And this is have a look at this bad boy. designed by a guy named Russ Comer. It says Russ has been creating knives since 1997. And while hunting in the Alaskan wilderness, he developed a passion for knives. So he has worked with Fox knives and CKRT. Now he's working with a Razorback, the Canyon, and a D2 steel. Says the spine is sharp enough to strike a ferro rod, and has a little bit of jimping. And I like this jimping. It's not super aggressive. It's that real small, fine jimping, but it grabs, but it doesn't hurt. It's a full flat grind, kind of a stonewash finish, D2 steel, nice G10 handle scales, and these are two-tone. They look pretty cool. It feels pretty good in my hand. It's kind of a medium-sized knife. I wear medium-sized gloves. This thing feels really good. It's got a nice sharp point on it. And should we do the redneck sharp test? Why not, right? Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. This bad boy came from the factory sharp. So I got to give them credit for that. And it's got a nice little, some kind of a plastic sheath with very nice positive retention and a nice little slip on and off belt loop. Pretty cool there. That's the Razorback Canyon fixed blade. And that is Battlbox 110. So, did you see anything in here that just really grabbed your attention, you thought was really cool, you didn't know existed? I didn't know this Hunter's Edition existed, but I'll tell you, in this one, two things got kind of, I think this is a good box, by the way. Some of them are, yeah, so I think this is a good one. Two things that got my attention. First of all, this lightweight dry bag, I really like this. Obviously, I like it enough that I used it and took it to the beach and did a great job. And honestly, I'm really digging I'm digging this knife. This thing, it's got a really good feel. The handle's thin. I like this knife a lot. I like the style of it. I'm not really familiar with Razorback at making knives, so that's pretty cool there. So that's Mission 110. Stick around, stay tuned. We got a few more of these things to plow through over the next few weeks, and I hopefully we'll find some treasure in most, if not all of them. As far as treasure goes, honestly, I know some stuff I like. I really like this case. This sucker's coming out on the carousel. You're going to see it. Everybody has a black case, so I think that's pretty cool. Anyway, that's Mission 110. I'll shut up now. Really appreciate you watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.